Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to unbox another mystery box, and this one is from Lime Crime. It is their $50 mystery box, which is supposed to have 4 full-size products, and I'm not really sure about the value, but they did say that it's all supposed to be over 40% off the full price. So I will list below every time I show a product what the full price is and how much discount it actually is to get in this box. Sort of, like we'll try to calculate it. But this is the box. It is way smaller than I anticipated, to be honest, but I mean it's only 4 products, so I guess it makes sense. But let's go ahead and cut into it. So this is what the inner packaging looks like. Really pretty. It says Lime Crime, and then there's pink tissue paper, and these are the products. By the way, before I jump into everything in this box, I just want to say that I just unboxed another mystery box from KVD Vegan Beauty. I'm going to link that video below if you guys want to check it out. But let's go ahead and get started with this one. So first thing I see in here is the Lime Crime Plushies Soft Focus Lip Veil. I have yet to try this formula from them, but I have heard about it in the past. All I tried from them for lips is basically this kind of formula, which is what I'm wearing today. I think this is like a liquid lipstick that's like velvety or something, but it doesn't really say on it, so whatever. But this one is in the shade L, by the way. And then for what we just got, this is the Plushies in the shade Sorbet. Okay, so it is a really pretty, tiny bit orangey red color. It's not a full-on orange, but it does definitely have a warmer tone. And this is what it looks like. It is a little bit on the sheer side, like I can still see my hand through it, and it is more glossy, but it looks really pretty. I want to try that on. Wow, this color, oh my god. So this is a really interesting product. On the one hand, it's a little bit on the sheer side, like I can still sort of see my lips through it, but the color payoff is crazy. Like, what is this? It's basically neon. I feel like I get washed out like this. What the hell? I definitely need stronger colors on like my eyes and cheeks and everything to be able to pull this off, but it's super beautiful. Next, we have another lip product, and this is the Ultra Shiny Lip Gloss in the shade Cherry Crush. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Actually orange, unlike this red, which is sort of orangey. This is like a full-on orange. I wonder actually what they would look like paired up together. This smells like candy, like straight up candy. Wow. Okay, so I just put it on the center of my lips, and it's so pretty. It looks super, super juicy. It doesn't really taste like anything, but I can still smell that like candy scent. That's very overpowering, but maybe it will go away soon. But this is what the two look like paired together. I'm actually living for this. 3 out of 4 products, another lip product. I feel like these are really meant for people who like lip products, because if 3 out of 4 are lips, I don't really know what to expect with the rest. But this is a lip liner. It is in Firebird, which is a red. I feel like I already own this. So I already own this, Firebird. It's the only one I own from them, and they give me the same color. That kind of sucks, I gotta say. But that's okay. We'll just throw it into a future giveaway. This is what mine looks like. I'm not going to open the new one, but it is just a really beautiful, perfect red color. And if you're looking for a giveaway, then I will link below a video that I have right now on with a giveaway that's still open, and you can enter and win some stuff too. And last but not least, in here we have an eyeshadow palette. I'm so excited. So I'm not really sure if everybody got the same eyeshadow palette in this box, but I got the Venice 3 palette. I heard so much about their palettes, and I've seen them actually in TJ Maxx in the past. Not this one specifically, but their smaller ones, their quads. But this is looking so beautiful. I absolutely love the packaging. And this is what the beautiful palette looks like. And this is what it looks like on the inside. I actually love this. It's a little bit more subdued than I'm used to be honest, but it is looking so beautiful, and it is pinky and purpley, and I'm living. Let me go ahead and swatch this palette for you guys, and so far, just touching the first two, this is looking really nice. So this is what the first row looks like. This is Dreamy, Beam, Heavenly, and Rapture. I am in love with these two. They're just so beautiful, so glittery. I really hope this camera is picking it up. Like I said before, they are a little bit on the more subdued color toned family, but I actually really like them. The next four definitely pack more of a punch. These are so beautiful, so pigmented. The colors here are Ecstasy, Paradise, Bliss, and then lastly, Beloved. This is really beautiful. I'm so ready for this. I think I'm going to do a video dedicated to this and just try to do maybe something like her eyeshadow in this packaging. I think it's so pretty. I really love the purple. So this was everything in this box. I am super excited for everything I got. And you know what? Even the eyeliner that I already have, I'm just gonna, like I said, throw it in a future giveaway and hopefully one of you guys will enjoy it. I really do like it. I just already own it. So I'm going to throw right here on the screen the total value after I calculated everything and see if it really is a more than 40% off discount overall. So that is everything for this box and for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. Definitely subscribe so you don't miss my other unboxing videos that are going to be coming up next. I ordered a ton of stuff that I want to share with you guys, so definitely don't miss that out. And also please like this video if you enjoyed, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!